Instead of asking customers to explain their issue, you can see their screen and guide them instantly. In this video, we'll show you how to start and join a Cobrowse session in Zoho Assist step by step. First, log in to your Zoho Assist account. From the top menu, click Cobrowse, then select Start Now. You'll be redirected to a new page where a unique 6-digit alphanumeric session key is generated. Share this session key with your customer. Customers can join the Cobrowse session either through the Cobrowse widget on the website or using the Cobrowse by Zoho Assist Chrome extension. They simply enter the session key shared by the technician, add their name, and click Join Session. The technician will then receive a session request prompt. Once the technician accepts the request, the live Cobrowse session begins. During the session, both the technician and the customer can see each other's cursor on the screen, making it easier to follow actions in real time. The technician can also annotate directly on the customer's screen to guide them through instructions clearly. Once the problem is resolved, the technician can end the session by clicking the exit icon and selecting End Now. Customers can also choose to end the session directly from the widget. And that's how easy it is to start and join Cobrowse sessions with Zoho Assist. It's simple, secure, and built for real-time customer support.